How to fix keyboard not working on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's tutorial we will see how we can fix if your keyboard are not working properly in your Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, if your keyboard does not work in your Windows 11, we have to turn on the on-screen keyboard. So for that, click on your search icon, and in the search bar you have to go to settings. Once you're under settings, navigate to your left hand side and from this menu bar go to accessibility. Once you're under accessibility, scroll down a bit and under interaction click on keyboard. Once you're here, there you can see on screen keyboard, so you have to turn on this toggle. Once you turn on, there you can see your on screen keyboard in your interface. So with the help of this keyboard, we will fix our problem. Now you can close your settings. Now once you have your on-screen keyboard in your interface, click on the search bar and search for run, and you can open this. Now you will have this run prompt in your device, and here you can clear this and search for regedit. Then click on OK. Here click on yes, and once you have opened your registry editor, navigate to this section right here, and from there go to HKey local machine, and you have to click on this folder, or you have to expand this. And here again navigate towards the system and expand the system folder. Here again go to current control set and expand this folder. Once you're here, now again expand services. Now under services you have to look for a folder that is this one right here, that is i8042 port. So you have to click on this folder. Once you have clicked, and if you navigate to your right hand side, there you can see different files right here. From here you have to go to start and right click on it. Now click on modify, and under value you have to set your value as 1. So you can clear this tree and set this value as 1. Once done, click on OK. After that, you can close all this folder from here and simply close your registry editor. Then you can restart your device. Once you restart your device, your problem will be solved, and that's the way to fix if your keyboard is not working properly or is not working in your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.